Hello guys, this is Shrey Soni and you are watching SS Films.
There's a fire burn the fire brigade. So tonight we are losing this fight. Oh, so tonight is
So today I am going to show you how to make a drone at your home. This is DJI F450 quadcopter. You can see this. So guys, let's start how to make a drone. You will be needing full size frame drone kit. This is a drone kit. I have just screwed the motors on the arm of the drone, and I have also soldered the ESC. This is electronic speed controller of 30 ampere. So red for positive and black for negative, you can see that. And I have also connected the battery connector which is XT60, red for positive and black for negative. So you will be needing screws. This is the CC3D openpilot flight controller, which you will be needing for controlling your drone. You will be also needing this receiver. This is flysky FSIA 6B receiver, which I have just connected all the wires of CC3D flight controller. You can see that it will be going here like this. I have just connected all the wires, you can see that. And a very important thing, that a transmitter, FSI 6 flysky transmitter. You can say this transmitter. So I have just connected this. So now take first arm and connect this first arm of first ESC. Okay, like this. So with the help of these screws I will be connecting it.
like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, a life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero?
You have to take this to a tape of 3 mm and just stick it like that. You see that? You can see that. So now connect the motor with the ESCs. This is the motor 1, motor 2, motor 3 and motor 4. So first for the motor 1. So you can see that I have connected the ESC with the motor. I will show you how the ESCs are connected with the motor. So this is the motor 1, motor 2, motor 3 and motor 4. The motor 1 should rotate like this, motor 2 should rotate like this, motor 3 should be rotated like this, and the motor 4 should be rotated like this. Okay, so now it's time for sticking receiver and our open flight controller. Now use the 2A tape to stick it on the drone frame. You can see that here's the arrow which shows the direction of the drone. So as the arrow shows, we will be sticking it on the drone. So our drone will be flying like this on this direction, and same with the receiver. Stick the receiver at the back of the drone. Like this. Okay. Now you have to use the zip ties for more support of the ESCs and the extra wire. Now connect the wires, this flight controller wire, the flight controller, you can see that. Now take the ESC's wire over here. So this is how we have connected the ESCs. You can see that. Take the second antenna of the receiver to the ear. Okay, and stick it with the zip ties. So this is our drone ready. Okay, but there is the one thing, that is the propellers. Yeah, I have just painted it white color, but the paint get removed, so it is looking so weird. You can see that how the original one look like. This is the type of a perfect propeller. So now this motor should rotate like this, so you have to apply this like this. The down part should come like this. For the second one, like this. This is the wrong one. It should be rotated like this, so this is the perfect one. Yeah. So third one will be like this. So this is the right motor, and the last one fourth. Then tight it perfectly. This is the lipo battery 2200 mAh. I have just removed the cover. This is the charging port of the battery, and this is the XT60 connector. This is the male connector, and this one is the female connector. You have to just connect it like this. You can see that. So if you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And there is a main part of the drone. You have to just code it with the open controller application on PC. So if I will be getting subscribed by 500 subscribers, I will be showing the video of how to code the flight controller. Thanks for watching my video. This is my YouTube's first video that I have made. So when I will complete 500 subscribers in this channel, I will tell you the real secret of this flight controller. I will show the coding of this flight controller, and this coding will help you so much that your drone will be stable in the sky. So please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and comment that which type of video would you like to see next.